Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about the erectile dysfunction lie that can actually kill you. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. So let me get right to the point. You finally go to your doctor about your erectile dysfunction. And we all know it's not really easy to talk about. You are hoping for an explanation of what's happening to your body. But what do you actually get? Simply a prescription for some type of ED medication. And if you're lucky, you get to spend all of, 10 to 15 minutes with the doctor. Great. So what is this lie that I'm talking about? The lie is that erectile dysfunction medication will fix your problem. And in fact, if these medications do work for you, you may get a few years of symptom relief. But do not think that this has fixed the problem, because erectile dysfunction has underlying causes. And the main cause is damage to the circulatory system. And this damage can lead to heart attacks, to strokes, and even dementia. That's why some researchers are calling ED a warning sign of possible future cardiovascular problems that can even cause death. If erectile dysfunction medication works for you and you want to use them for short-term symptom relief, well, that's great. But don't just stop there. Definitely treat the underlying cause of your ED, because doing so can save your life. And if, like me, you want a natural way to renewed health and erectile function, then click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. If you have any questions about that page or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about the same topic, just click on either of these two video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.